Hello everyone, here we are going to start with exercise 7b of the chapter simultaneous linear equation. Before we start with the exercise, I would like to introduce one of the identity, that is, if a to the power n is equals to a to the power n. If the bases are same, so the powers will be equal. So m will be equals to n. And if a to the power m equals to b to the power n, that is, powers are same, therefore this basis will also be same. Now let's move to the questions. Here in question number 1, first part, we are having 2 to the power 2x plus 1 equals to 8. Now we are going to copy this one, and this 8 can be written as 2 to the power 3. Now as the bases are same, so the powers will also be same, therefore 2x plus 1 equals to 3. So 2x equals to 3 minus 1. So x equals to 2 upon 2. That is x equals to 1 as answer. Now let us see the second part. Here we are having 2 to the power 5x minus 1 equals to 4 into 2 to the power 3x plus 1. Now this 4 will also be reduced to the form of 2 to the power 2, and this will be just copied along with this one. Now here the bases are same, so the powers will be added, and this will be 2 to the power 5x minus 1, 2 to the power 2 plus 3x plus 1. Now 2 to the power 5x minus 1 will be equals to 2 to the power 3x plus 3. Now again the bases are same, so the powers will be equated. Therefore 5x minus 1 equals to 3x plus 3. Now make a transpose. This will be 5x minus 3x equals to 3 plus 1. So 2x equals to 4. So x equals to 4 upon 2. That implies x equals to 2 as answer. Now let's do the third part of this question number 1. Here 3 to the power 4x plus 1 equals to 27 to the power x plus 1. Now here this 27 can be written as 3 to the power 3 and whole to the power x plus 1. This will be copied, 4x plus 1. Now 4x plus 1 equals to 3 to the power 3 into x plus 1. Now the bases are same, so the powers will be equated, and we'll be getting 4x plus 1 equals to 3x plus 1. Now open the bracket. This will be 3x plus 3. This will be just copied. Now 4x minus 3x equals to 3 minus 1. So x equals to 2 as answer. Now we are having the fourth part of the question number 1, as 49 to the power x plus 4 equals to 7 square into 343 to the power x plus 1. Now all of them can be written in the form of power with a base 7. So 7 square, and this will be x plus 4. Then this will be just copied into 7 cube whole to the power x plus 1. Now open the bracket, and this will be 7 to the power 2x plus 4 equals to 7 square into 7 to the power 3x plus 1. Now here the bases are same, so the powers will be added, and this will be written as 7 to the power 2x plus 4, 7 to the power 2 plus 3 in bracket x plus 1. Now we are having the same basis, so the powers will be equated, and therefore we'll be getting 2x plus 4 equals to 2 plus 3x plus 1. Now open the bracket, and this will be 2x plus 8 equals to 2 plus 3x plus 3. Now we can make a transpose of it. We can send this 2x on the other side, and this will be 3x minus 2x equals to 8 minus 2 and 3, 5. And here it will be x equals to 3 as answer for this question. Now we go with question number 2, second part. Here we are having 2 to the power x plus 3 in a root equals to 16. Now this can be written as 2 to the power x plus 3 upon 2, as the root is equals to 1 upon 2 in a form of power. And here the 16 can be written with 2 to the power 4. Now here the bases are same, so the powers will be equated. Therefore, x plus 3 upon 2 equals to 4. Now make a transpose, and here will be 4 into 2, that is x equals to 8 minus 3, and x will be equals to 5 as answer. Now let's see the fourth part of it. Here we are having in the cube root of. Now let's see the fourth part. Here we are having 2 upon 3 in cube root whole to the power x minus 1 equals to 27 upon 8. Now this can be written as 2 upon 3 to the power x minus 1 upon 3. That is equals to 3 upon 2 to the power 3. Now here the base is 2 upon 3 and here we are having 3 upon 2. So we are going to make a reciprocal of it and we'll be getting a minus sign over here. And this will be equals to 2 upon 3 to the power x minus 1 upon 3 equals to 2 upon 3 to the power minus 3. Now the bases are same, so the powers can be equated, and therefore it will be x minus 1 upon 3 equals to minus 3. Now x minus 1 will be equals to minus 3 into 3, that is equals to minus 9. And hence x will be equals to minus 9 plus 1. So x equals to minus 8 as the answer for this question. Now let's see question number 3, first part. Here we are having 4 to the power x minus 2 minus 2 to the power x plus 1. Very first of all, we'll put this 2 on the other side. This will become 2, 4 minus 2 equals to 2 to the power x plus 1. Now, this 4 can be written with the base of 2, and that is 2 to the power 2 whole to the power x minus 2 equals to 2 to the power x plus 1. Now, we're going to open this bracket, and this will be 2 to the power 2 x minus 2 equals to 2 to the power x plus 1. Now, the bases are same, so the powers can be equated. Therefore, 2 x minus 2 equals to x plus 1. Open the bracket, 2x minus 4 equals to x plus 1. Now make a transpose, this will be 2x minus x equals to 1 plus 4. So x equals to 5 as answer. Now we are having the second part of this question number 3. It is 3 to the power x square is to 3x equals to 9 is to 1. So this can be written as 3 to the power x square whole upon 3x equals to 9 upon 1. Now we can use the quotient rule to solve it, and this will be 3 to the power x square minus x equals to, here this can also be written as 3 to the power 2. Now we are having the same base, so the powers can be equated, and this can be written as x square minus x equals to 2. Now we can send this on same side, and it will be x minus 2 equals to 0. Now we are having this equation in the form of quadratic. Now we will solve it by factorizing this, and this will be x square minus 2x plus 1x minus 2 equals to 0. Now we can take x common from these two, and it will be x minus 2, and from these two we can take 1 as common, so x minus 2 equals to 0. X minus 2 can be taken as common, and it will be x plus 1 equals to 0. Now we can equate this and this both equals to 0. So on equating x minus 2 equals to 0, we'll be getting x equals to 2, and x plus 1 equals to 0, we get x equals to minus 1. So here we are having two answers. Now let's see question number 4, first part. Here we are having 8 into 2 to the power 2x plus 4 into 2 to the power x plus 1 equals to 1 plus 2 to the power x. Now, here first of all we are going to rearrange it, and this will become 8 into 2 to the power x whole to the power 2 plus 4 into 2 to the power x into 2. We are going to put all of them in this side. This will be minus 2 to the power x and minus 1 equals to 0. Now, here this can't be solved anymore, and this can be solved, so we can write this one as 8 into 2 to the power x whole to the power 2 plus 4 into 2, that is 8 into 2 to the power x minus 2 to the power x minus 1 equals to 0. Now, here we are having 8 into 2 to the power x minus 2x. So, on solving this, we'll be getting 7 into 2 to the power x. So, this will become 8 into 2 to the power x whole square plus 7 into 2 to the power x minus 1 equals to 0. Now, we are going to suppose 2 to the power x as any other variable. So, let 2 to the power x equals to a. Now we can write this one as 8a square plus 7a minus 1 equals to 0. Now we are going to factorize this one by splitting the middle term, and on doing so we get 8x a square plus 8a minus 1a minus 1 equals to 0. Now from these two we can take 8a as common and we'll be getting a plus 1, and from these two we can take minus 1 as common, so a plus 1 equals to 0. Now a plus 1 can be taken as common, so we get 8a minus 1 equals to 0. Now we are going to equate both of them equals to 0, so a plus 1 equals to 0 and 8a minus 1 equals to 0. Now on taking a plus 1 equals to 0, we get a equals to minus 1, and the value of a is 2 to the power x. So 2 to the power x equals to minus 1. So it's not possible, as any value of x will not give you the value of minus 1. So this is not considered. Now we'll go for this one. So 8a will be equals to 1 and a will be equals to 1 upon 8. Now we can place the value of a as 2 to the power x equals to 1 upon 8. Now this can be written as 2 to the power x equals to 2 to the power minus 3. And the base are same, so the powers will be equal and x will be equals to minus 3 as answer. Now let's go with question number 4, second part. Here we are having 2 to the power 2x plus 2 to the power x plus 2 minus 4 into 2 to the power 3 equals to 0. Now we are going to rearrange this one again, and this will be 2 to the power x whole to the power 2 plus 2 to the power x into 2 to the power 2 minus 4 into 8 equals to 0. Now we can solve this one, and it will be 2 to the power x whole to the power 2 plus 2 to the square 2 to the power 2, and this will be equals to 4 into 2 to the power x minus 4 into 8, that is 32 equals to 0. Now here we are going to suppose 2 to the power x as a. So let 2 to the power x equals to a, and this can be written as a square plus 4a minus 32 equals to 0. Now we are going to factorize this with the help of splitting middle term, and this will be equals to a square plus 8a minus 4a minus 32 equals to 0. Now we can take a common from these two, and it will be a plus 8, and from these two we can take 4 as common, and it will be 8a minus a plus 8 equals to 0. Now we take a plus 8 at the bracket as common and left with a minus 4 equals to 0. Now we are going to equate both of them equals to 0, and on doing so we get a plus 8 equals to 0 and a minus 4 equals to 0. On doing this one, it will be a equals to minus 8, and the value of a was x to the power 2 to the power x equals to minus 8. Now for any value of x, you will never get the value of minus 8. Therefore, this is not considered, and we will go for this one. This is a equals to 4, and value of a is 2 to the power x equals to 4. Now this can be written as 2 to the power x equals to 2 to the power 2. As they both are having the same base, so the powers can be equated, and it will be x equals to 2 as answer. Now let's see question number 4, third part. Here we are having root 3 to the power x minus 3 equals to 3 with the root of 4 equals to x plus 1. Now this can be written as 3 to the power x minus 3 upon 2, and this will be written as 3 to the power x plus 1 upon 4. Now the bases are same, so the powers can be equated, and on doing so this will be x minus 3 upon 2 equals to x plus 1 upon 4. Now we can do the cross multiplication. On doing so, we get x minus 3 upon 2 into 4 equals to x plus 1. This 2 can cancel out this 2, and here it will be 2x minus 6 equals to x plus 1. Now we can make a transpose of x, and this will be 2x minus x equals to 1 plus 6, that is x equals to 7 as answer. Now let's do question number 5. Here we are having 4 to the power 2m equals to cube root of 16 to the power minus 6 upon n equals to the square root of 8 to the whole square. Now let's start with the 4 to the power 2m equals to square root of 8 to the square. And on doing so, we will be having 4 to the power 2m equals to root 8 to the whole square. Here this can be written as 2 to the power 2 whole to the power 2m equals to, this root will be cancelled out and we will be getting 8. Now here on multiplying these parts, it will be 4m equals to 2 to the power 3. Now the bases are same, so the parts can be equated, and this will be written as 4m equals to 3 and m will be equals to 3 upon 4. Now we will be solve for this n, and here it is the cube root of 16 to the power minus 6 upon n equals to root 8 to the whole square. And now this can be written as 60 to the power 1 upon 3 whole to the power minus 6 upon n, and here will be equals to 8. Now this can be written with 2 to the power 4 whole to the power 1 upon 3 into minus 6 upon n. We can cancel out this 2. We get 2 over here equals to 2 to the power 3. Now this power can also be multiplied, and it will be 2 to the power 4 into minus 2 upon n equals to 2 to the power 3. Here on multiplying these two, we will be having 2 to the power minus 8 upon n equals to 2 to the power 3. And the base are same, so the parts can be equated, and therefore we will be getting minus 8 upon n equals to 3. And on just rearranging this, you will be getting n equals to minus 8 upon 3 as answer. Now let's see question number 6. Here we are having root 32 to the power x divided by 2 to the power x plus 1 equals to 1, and 8 to the power x minus 16, 4 minus x divided by 2 equals to 0. Now here, with the help of this relation, we are going to write this one as 2 to the power 5 upon 2 whole to the power x divided by 2 to the power y plus 1 equals to 1. 2 to the power 5x upon 2 whole upon 2 to the power y plus 1 equals to 1. Now the bases are same, so this can be subtracted, and here we will be having 2 to the power 5x upon 2 minus y plus 1 equals to 1. Now on taking LCM, it will be 2 to the power 2 5x minus 2y plus 1, and here we are having 1, so any number to the power 0 equals to 1, so we can write this one with 2 to the power 0. Now we are having the same base for both of it, so the powers can be equated, and on therefore it will be 5x minus 2y plus 1 whole upon 2 equals to 0. Now this 2 can be sent on their side and it will be equals to 0. So 5x minus 2y minus 2 equals to 0. Now this is your first equation. Now we'll go for the second equation by the help of this one, and this can be written as 2 to the power 3 whole to the power y equals to 2 to the power 4 whole to the power 4 minus x by 2. It was minus sign, so it is sent on the other side and got a positive one. Now the powers will be multiplied on both the sides. This will be 2 to the power 3y equals to 2 to the power 4 into, we can take the LCM on this 2, it will be 8 minus x upon 2. Here this 2 and this can be cancelled. We get 2 over here. And as the bases are same, so the parts can be equated. Therefore, 3y equals to 2 in bracket 8 minus x. Now we can open the bracket, and on opening side we will be having 3y equals to 16 minus 2x. Now we can get the value of y from here, and this will be 16 minus 2x upon 3. Let this one be equation number 2. Now we can place the value of y from here in this equation. So placing the value of y in equation number 1, we get 5x minus 2 into 16 minus 2x upon 3 minus 2 equals to 0. Now we'll be getting the LCM of 3 for all, and this will be 3 over here, that is 15x minus 2 into 16 minus 2x minus 3 to the 6 equals to 0. Now this 3 can be sent on the other side, and this will become 15x minus 32 plus 4x minus 6 equals to 0. Now 15 plus 4 will be 19x, 32 and 6 will be minus 38 equals to 0. So 19x equals to 38 and x equals to 38 upon 19, that is x equals to 2. Now we can place the value of x in equation number 2, and on doing so we get y equals to 16 minus 2 into 2 upon 3, that is equals to 16 minus 4 upon 3. So y equals to 12 upon 3. So y will be equals to 4 as answer. Now let's see question number 7a part. Here we are having x to the power a upon x to the power b whole to the power a plus b minus c, and into x to the power b upon x to the power c whole to the power b plus c minus a into x to the power c upon x to the power a whole to the power c plus a minus b, and that is equals to 1. So we are going to take LHS, and in LHS this x to the power a upon x to the power b can be written as x to the power a minus b, and this will be multiplied by this one as it will be power to the power. So b plus c, a plus b minus c into x to the power b minus c into b plus c minus a into x to the power c minus a into c plus a minus b. Now we are going to open the bracket, and on opening we can just see over here that a minus b and a plus b. So we'll be using an identity for these two, and we'll be multiplied by the next one. So this will be equals to x to the power a minus b and a plus b, and then minus c into a minus b. And similarly for the other, this will be x to the power b minus c, b plus c, then minus a, b minus c into x to the power c minus a and c plus a, then minus b, c minus a. Now we are going to open this. This will be x to the power a square minus b square, and on opening this, this will be minus ca plus bc into x to the power b square minus c square, then minus ab and plus ac into x to the power c square minus a square minus bc and plus ab. Now as all of them are having the base of x, so all the parts can be added, and this will be x to the power a square minus b square minus ca plus bc plus b square minus c square minus ab plus ac plus c square minus a square minus bc and plus ab. Here a square will be cancelled by this, c square will be cancelled by this, and b square will be cancelled with this one. ca will be cancelled by ac, bc will be cancelled by bc, and minus ab will be cancelled by plus ab. As all of the parts are cancelled out, so this will be x to the power 0. and any number with a power 0 equals to 1. So we got 1 over here, and that is equals to RHS. Hence, proved. In this video,